Ciao guys, this is your artist Tolga and I'm back with a special custom drawing today for my Turkish bro Tolga Aksoku. He wanted a drawing of ZeedMillenniummon from Digimon. I have to say, I didn't know this Digimon, but it looks pretty badass. And Tolga wanted me to draw this monster in my style, and that's what I will do now. Hit like, subscribe, and then we can get right into it guys. Let's go.
Can't remember what it's like, just remember I need it. It's hard to resist the thing that I missed for so long. Can't remember what it's like, just remember I need it.
Alright guys, ZeedMillenniummon drawn in my style. I use references I found on Google, of course, as I don't know this monster, so I had to look at the design. I still gave it my own touch, and if you wonder about the background, these are the Digimon codes. I couldn't find any specific codes, therefore most of them are made up, but I think it still looks pretty good. In fact, I'm very happy with the final result. This was actually pretty fun, so I think I will draw more Digimon monsters in the future. Big thanks for this commission, Tolga. I really appreciate the support. If you also want me to bring your ideas to life, contact me over Instagram or email me at arttolg@gmail.com so we can talk about your drawing and commission prices. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.